So if you own a older Honda from the 70s and you've had to remove the gas tank, you've had to remove this balance tube. And in order to do that, you have to drain the gas out of the tank. So removing your tank off your bike to do some service on electrical or whatever, electrical or carbs or whatever, really is a hassle. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your balance tube so you can remove your tank without having to drain the gas out of it. And some people aren't going to like this idea, but I don't care. It's way more convenient than quick disconnects or messing with fuel every time I want to remove my tank from my bike. So let's get started. As you can see, I got the seat off, and now I'm gonna take a pair of knee and nose vice grips and clamp this hose. This is how I get them off. Clamp this hose, and I'll do that on the other side also. And there's all kinds of crap in there. Alright, now that it's cut, I can get the tank off. I just cut the lines and they get hard. And now, there we go. This whole design is such a pain. Take the tank off, put it on the bench. So I'm going to start with the tank with the hose off. The balance tube hose is off, and I'm going to set it on the bike where it's supposed to go. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to route the hose like this underneath the seat, and I'm going to leave myself a lot of extra room to hook the hoses up. What I have here is a piece of 7/32 vacuum hose, and I'm going to put some clamps on there first. Put some clamps on these hoses, and I got about 1.5 feet long. Put that on there. I put a little spray lube on the hose on the end and on here. Little nipple so that it goes on easy, and I just wiggle that baby on there, and I take my pliers and put on the clamp. Alright, something like that. Then I loop it and go over the top, and I do the same thing on the other side, and then that way the hose sits underneath the seat. So let's go do the other side. So now that we put this, watch what happens when the seat goes on. This thing tucks, that thing tucks in there, and the seat closes over top of it. It's nice and clean. We can handle that. And now it's easy to take the gas tank off. Leave a comment below. Like it, share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.